definition of PT in trigonometry. So PT is actually cosine t comma sine t. So cosine t is the x coordinate and sine t is the y coordinate. Now when you say find PT where t equals say pi over 2, so then you just write here cosine pi over 2 sine pi over 2. So we know cosine pi over 2 is 0 and sine pi over 2 is 1. So we are done. So next one, say that t equals negative pi by 3. So we are looking for PT where I have negative pi over 3. So negative pi over 3 meaning is cosine negative pi over 3 sine negative pi over 3. Now we know cosine is even function, so negative will go away. So this one will be simply cosine pi over 3. Sine is odd function, negative will stay, and then you have sine pi over 3. Now pi over 3 is actually 60 degree. So cosine 60 is 1/2 and sine 60 is radical 3 over 2. So we are done for this one. We are given another problem where it says PT is the point 0.948 comma 0.318. So we need to find PT plus pi, P negative t, and then PT minus pi, and then P negative t negative pi. So this will be very simple idea. You just need to see in which quadrant you are. So when you say t plus pi, so that this is your t, this is in the first quadrant for sure. So you have t is here. When you add pi, so that goes here. So in this place, your cosine is negative, sine is also negative. So then you are just writing negative 948 negative 318. You are done. When you say negative t, so negative t actually goes in fourth quadrant. So in the fourth quadrant, cosine is positive. So the first is cosine, so keep it 0.948, and your sine value, which is y coordinate, is negative. So negative 0.318. Same way, look at third example. The third one is asking you that you have t minus pi. Now if I say t minus pi, so then it is going in the third quadrant. So in the third quadrant, sine cosine both negative. So you get negative 948 negative 3.318. Now next you are going negative pi and negative t. So where is my negative t? So negative t, we see if t is here, negative t will be here. And then you have negative pi, so it is going another pi units. So then it goes here. That means you are quadrant 3. Sorry, second. In second quadrant, cosine is negative. So the first will be negative and the second will be positive. 318, and we are done. That's the simple. You just look at the terminal side and then change the sign accordingly. We are taking another example. Say your t is negative 3 pi over 4. You need to find PT. So we know that PT is cosine negative 3 pi over 4 sine negative 3 pi over 4. So use the concept of even odd functions. So cosine negative will go away. So you have cosine 3 pi over 4, and this one you have a negative, and then sine 3 pi over 4. Now we know that 3 pi over 4 is same as pi minus pi over 4. So our reference angle is pi over 4, and then we just determine where is our 3 pi by 4. So 3 pi by pi minus pi by 4, so it is here in the second quadrant. So in the second quadrant, cosine is negative. So then you will write here negative cosine pi by 4 is radical 2 over 2 negative, and sine pi over 4 in this quadrant will be just radical 2 over 2. So you are done completely. All right.